Hi, this is Manik R. Grover, and today I want to talk to you about my book Embracing Technology with BPB Publications. You might have seen my post a couple of days ago where I had provided a sneak peek into the book, which talked about the topics that the book covers and also some highlights. There's more, much more to the book. If you haven't got a chance to go through that post, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. Now, you may have a question or maybe wondering who this book is for, or you may be thinking if this book is for you or not. Today, I'll help you answer those questions. If you're completely new to technology, this book is definitely for you. It does not assume any prior knowledge. You can read it cover to cover, and it'll help you develop good knowledge, get you hands-on, and also make you more tech savvy. If you're someone who has exposure to some of the areas that the book covers but not the others, or maybe you've been using only some basic features in those areas, this book will help you. You can get started by jumping directly to a topic of your interest. You can also go back and refer to the topics that you think you're comfortable with just as a form of revision. You may learn a thing or two in doing that. However, if you're someone who's already comfortable with the topics that this book covers and have been using it on a day-to-day basis, this book may not be of much help to you. But maybe there are people in your friends and family circle who may benefit from it. If you're already helping them on a one-to-one basis, you're doing good and you don't really require this book. But if you find that you're not able to spend time with them on a consistent basis, maybe you can consider this as a learning resource. In this book, each chapter begins with an explanation of the key concepts and then demonstrates some examples from popular apps and websites. The concepts themselves help you develop a thinking pattern using which you can approach other apps and websites of that category. You will see some examples of apps and websites which are very popular in India, but the concepts themselves are not country specific. So this book is usable across the world. As you start learning from this book, you will find that you're able to learn new topics simply by self-exploration, noticing patterns and applying the concepts that you learned. You will find that you're starting to become more tech savvy. Age per se is not a constraint to learning, but just in terms of demographics, I feel this book may be useful for parents. It may be useful for senior citizens, school and college students, or anyone who wants to develop a comfort level with technology and its applications in the world around. The only prerequisites are a desire to learn, access to a computing device, which could be a computer, a smartphone or a tablet, and access to the internet. So join me and let's get tech savvy and embrace technology. This is Manik R. Grover, and thank you for your time.